Good morning, children. Today, in this video, I'm going to explain the summary of your second chapter from your book Footprints Without Feet. The chapter name is The Thief's Story. The Thief's Story. This is the story of a thief who decided to steal money of that person who had provided him shelter, food, clothes, everything, but he was misguided from his path. But by and by, he got proper instructions by his inner soul, and finally, he returned and kept the money on the same place. So, in this story, the writer, the speaker is Anil, and in this story, a small time 15-year-old thief who calls himself Hari Singh. The thief's name is Hari Singh, introduced by the writer, befriend a struggling author, Anil. Hari's purpose to steal Anil's money. And his purpose was to steal Anil money. And Anil had provided him everything because they were also a stranger. But Anil was a very good hearted man and he gave him shelter. He gave him everything to keep him in his own room. Okay, Anil is a very good fellow in this story and wants to teach also wants to teach Hari Singh. Hari Singh, who was a thief in this story, Anil wanted to teach him how to read and write properly. Gradually, Anil develops trust in Hari Singh. But Hari Singh has been waiting for the right moment to make a killing by doing what is the best, that is stealing. This is the time when the man Anil, he was doing his duty to showing his humanity very honestly. But the man Hari Singh, he had not focused himself that this man is trying to provide him everything. Especially, he is trying to teach him how to read and write. And the man is only waiting for that particular time when he will out of the room and very easily he will do his task. The task was to steal his money. Okay, after stealing the money, he had decided to leave the room. So one day he got chance and he stole the money. And after that he left the room. And this was the money that Anil had earned by selling a book to a publisher. And Hari Singh knows it. He got the money and he ran away forever from the room of Anil. But it was late night, and after some hour, the thief realized that his inner soul instructed him that you have done a very wrong task. This is a very wrong decision taken by you. So, once again, he realized his great guilty, and he decided that he will come back and return his money. So finally he returns, and Anil, who was making excuse of sleeping, he also did not show a slightest surprise, but he knew everything, that that man had stolen his money. But when he returned, he did not show a slightest surprise, and accept Hari Singh once again with open arms. This was a great humanity, a great moral decision taken by the man Anil. Students, this time the man who had stolen the money, he realized that money and these economical things are not important in this world. In this world, love and affection has great value than those materialistic things. So thus a intentional person tries to reform a teenager who had strayed from the correct path. The writer had showed that this is our responsibility, that when a teenager is going out of the station, and at that time we have to maintain his feeling, we have to teach him properly, and finally there will be a great changing, like the thief Hari Singh.